Imagine planning your next Caribbean getaway and knowing you'll be among the first guests at a brand new all-inclusive resort. The year 2026 will usher in a wave of luxurious openings across the Dominican Republic and Mexico, giving travelers more options than ever. In this countdown, we explore 6 properties, some confirmed and others widely anticipated, that promise fresh experiences, modern design, and plenty of value. We'll look at what makes each resort unique. From wave pools and lagoon-inspired designs to high-tech rooms, gourmet dining, and exclusive adults-only areas. If you're curious about what's coming, stay tuned. Lopesan Caoba Lagoon Resort, Spa and Casino, Punta Cana. The Spanish hotel group Lopesan plans to open 3 sister resorts in Punta Cana in spring 2026. Caoba Lagoon is the family-friendly option within this trio. Its design draws inspiration from cenotes and lagoons, natural freshwater pools commonly found in Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. Guests will find expansive water features, including lagoon-like pools and landscape gardens designed to create a seamless flow between spaces. Amenities are extensive. The Vela Beach Club pool provides a social hub with music and cocktails. A wave pool adds playful fun, and the Aquatica Water Park offers slides and splash zones for children and the young at heart. The resort will feature multiple restaurants and bars along the boulevard, an open-air promenade shared with neighboring properties. A large spa with dozens of treatment rooms and extensive fitness facilities ensures wellness remains a core focus. Flexible indoor and outdoor spaces accommodate events and weddings, making Caoba Lagoon appealing to families, groups, and multi-generational travelers. Lopesan Serenity Bay, Punta Cana. Serenity Bay will be the adults-only member of the new Lopesan trio. The property will house approximately 239 suites, mostly junior suites with terraces or balconies, within a modern, single-building design. The smaller scale promises a quieter atmosphere, while still granting access to the larger Lopesan complex. Rooms will offer tropical pool or swim-up views and feature smart TVs, Wi-Fi minibars, walk-in showers, and touches like espresso machines. Public areas center on water. A lagoon-style main pool will be the social hub, while a wave pool will generate artificial surf, a rare feature in the Caribbean. Additional pools include the Vela Beach Club pool and an adults-only quiet pool. The resort will also give guests access to shared amenities, such as convention center, theater, nightclub, and casino. Lopesan Splash Cove, Punta Cana. Splash Cove is designed for families and multi-generational travel. Set within a 5-story building surrounded by gardens, it will offer roughly 244 rooms and facilities centered on aquatic fun. There will be 5 pools, including a dedicated children's pool and quiet lounging areas. Guests can access the main beach via a short path. Like its sister properties, Splash Cove will participate in the shared boulevard dining and entertainment district. Moon Palace de Grand, Punta Cana. Another major opening slated for 2026 is Moon Palace de Grand, Punta Cana, although details are still emerging. The Palace Resorts Group has announced that this property will bring its signature all-inclusive luxury, top-shelf drinks, gourmet dining, and family-friendly entertainment. To the beaches of the Dominican Republic, expect multiple pools, a water park, a kids club, and a wide array of dining venues. Plus the brand's renowned Flowrider surf simulator and extensive spa facilities. This resort will likely mirror the high standard seen at Moon Palace properties in Cancun and Jamaica. Secrets Macao Beach Punta Cana. Hyatt's inclusive collection is developing Secrets Macao Beach Punta Cana, an adults-only property near the famous Macao surf beach. While official details remain limited, the resort is expected to feature suites with ocean, pool, and tropical views, multiple restaurants and bars, and a world-class secret spa. Guests will benefit from the brand's unlimited luxury concept, unlimited a la carte dining, top-shelf spirits, 24-hour room service, and a wide program of day and night activities. Grand Hyatt Grand Cayman Resort and Spa. Outside the Dominican Republic, Grand Hyatt Grand Cayman Resort and Spa will debut on 7 Mile Beach in April 2026 as part of the World of Hyatt. The 382-room resort will feature 5 distinct dining venues: Salt and Cinder, Low Tide Pool Bar and Restaurant, High Tide Rooftop Bar, Brasa and Grab and Go outlets, alongside a 9,000 square foot spa with 14 treatment rooms and an outdoor vitality pool. A 25,000 square foot indoor and outdoor events complex will include a ballroom accommodating up to 1,100 guests. With 900 feet of oceanfront, multiple pools, a modern fitness center, and an exclusive Grand Club lounge, this property will bring Hyatt's premium all-inclusive experience to the Cayman Islands. These forthcoming resorts highlight how the all-inclusive market continues to evolve. From adults-only retreats like Lopesan Serenity Bay to family-friendly water park havens like Splash Cove and Caoba Lagoon, travelers will have fresh reasons to return to the Caribbean in 2026. Moon Palace, Secrets Macao, and Grand Hyatt Grand Cayman Resort and Spa add further variety, and each promises high-quality food, modern design, and unique activities. If you're planning ahead, consider these openings when mapping out your next tropical escape. Thanks for exploring these upcoming resorts with us. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to Punta Cana to do Incluido, and check out our Expedia affiliate links in the description to plan your next getaway. Your support makes our travel content possible.